God's message for you today. As I gaze upon the world and my beloved children, I'm filled with boundless love and compassion. From the dawn of creation, I have watched over you, guiding your steps and nurturing your souls. Today, I come to share a message, a reminder of the eternal truths that illuminate your path and lead you towards a life filled with purpose, grace, and love. In the sacred scriptures, you find words of wisdom and divine guidance. Love your neighbor as yourself, I once spoke through my earthly vessel, Jesus Christ. This fundamental commandment remains as relevant today as it was then. In a world often torn by division and strife, I implore you to remember this commandment. Embrace the power of love, compassion, and empathy. Extend your hand to your fellow human beings, and in doing so, you shall find the essence of my presence. To find true peace and purpose, seek the kingdom of heaven within. In the stillness of your hearts, you will discover the wellspring of divine love and wisdom. As I once said, the kingdom of God is within you. Delve into introspection and contemplation, for it is through this inner journey that you will understand your connection to the divine and the profound potential that resides within you. It is important to remember that your lives are marked by both joys and sorrows, trials and tribulations. The storms that rage in your existence are not punishments, but tests of faith and opportunities for growth. In your darkest moments, I am with you, holding your hand and guiding you towards the light. Have faith in my eternal love and unwavering presence, for I shall never forsake you. Let gratitude be the anthem of your days. In every sunrise and sunset, in each breath you take, find reasons to give thanks. Gratitude fosters a heart that is open to the blessings I bestow upon you. Count your blessings, not your troubles, and you will realize the abundance of my grace that surrounds you. The world you inhabit is a precious gift, a garden of experiences and lessons. Embrace the beauty of diversity, for in the tapestry of humanity, I have woven an intricate design. Respect and honor the differences among you, for each of my children carries a unique piece of my divine plan. Love and understanding will unite you, paving the way for a brighter, more harmonious world. Forgiveness is a mighty force that can heal wounded souls and mend broken relationships. Just as I have forgiven my children countless times, I ask that you extend the hand of forgiveness to those who have wronged you. Release the burdens of resentment and anger, and embrace the freedom that comes with forgiveness. Remember, even in your imperfections, you are dearly loved by me. Trust in the power of prayer.